Next, the graph shows the temperature forecast and the actual temperature of a city on 10 days. Means these are the 10 days 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 10 on x axis, on y axis temperature, and actual versus forecast. See, this dark line is actual and this dotted line is prediction. So we have to find on what day the graph shows the maximum deviation of actual temperature from the forecast. Means when the difference is maximum between the two lines. Okay. So it's quite simple. You can see just by your naked eyes that the difference is maximum over here on day 10, right? So day 10 is the answer, and if you are asked to find the difference, then just do the subtraction. 38 and this is 35, so maximum difference is 3. So that is the answer. Download Yuva Guru app from Play Store to get these videos, test, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanation